right, hi everyone. It's me again, Brendan. So thank you everyone for coming today on a Saturday afternoon. I just wanted to say a few words about Injective, who is sponsoring today's event. So like I said earlier on, there's drinks and snacks at the back in the corner over there, and then there's also plush toys and a bunch of other swag in the boxes right at the center at the back. So what is Injective, right? Injective is a layer 1 network that is started off as actually a perp DEX, perpetuals trading platform, and then they decided to make a blockchain out of it, right? And then so it was its own L1 blockchain that had its own set of like trading or finance related APIs, and then that grew bigger. They added CosmWasm, right, which is a smart contract platform that is familiar to the Cosmos network, right? Developers on the Cosmos network. And then very recently, just I think about 2 months ago, we launched EVM on testnet, and as of this week, we're on EVM mainnet as well. So yeah, you can do your standard Solidity smart contracts, etc. All of that you can do it within Injective as of right now. So yeah, give it a go. And if any of you are developers and would like to build on an EVM network, a new EVM network, but also have like really cool features that you can't really do on other EVMs, then talk to me. And by really cool features, I mean, for example, right, if you want to create a decentralized exchange, a DEX, right, pretty much the go-to way of doing it is to use an AMM, like an automated market maker formula, and that's kind of what Uniswap does, and Curve does something similar as well, but not exactly the same. But these are all like a different way of creating a market compared to something which you see, like say, in Singapore Stock Exchange or Wall Street, that kind of thing, where they use an order book, right? So this is where you have buys and sells, and then you line them up, and then whenever the buy price meets the sell price, then you get a trade, right? So that kind of order book is almost impossible to run in write in Solidity, like for gas cost reasons and a bunch of other things. So so instead, we've got our own on-chain order book. So you can create a order book, right, through native APIs, and you can also access that through smart contract code, like in Solidity by precompiles. So if that sort of thing is really interesting to you, then come talk to me. All right, that's it. I just had a really short. And now on to our next speaker, who is going to be David, right, who has, I think, by my count, not slept for about 36 hours because he had quite a trip getting here. So please give him a round of applause.